Hi guys, welcome back to another mukbang. So today I'll be eating Indian food. So I've been waiting to try this for a long time now. I mean I've had eaten Indian food in the past before, but it's been a while. So I have all this. I ordered this on Uber Eats. I feel like I was actually gonna do a tteokbokki, so spicy Korean rice cake video, but I'll just tell you guys about that later. So this is what is this? Oh my gosh. No, Mango Lassi. It's Mango Lassi. It's, okay, hopefully they have a straw. I'm praying that they have a straw for me please. And then there's the Samosa. I got 2 of them. They're really big. Oh my god. I've been waiting to try this Indian place. It had like really good reviews. It's like a 3.8 star on Zomato, which is Urban Spoon. It used to be Urban Spoon, but now it's like Zomato or something. But 3.8 is really good. So this is the Garlic Naan. Oh my god, it smells so garlicky. So good. That's the Garlic Naan. And this is, what is this? Oh my god. I legit, seriously researched how to say this before. And I completely forgot. What is that? I'm horrible. Wait, let me look. It's the Raita. Raita? I'm sorry, I'm not pronouncing it properly, but yeah, it's pretty much yogurt, cucumber. Yeah, that's the base of it, the yogurt cucumber kind of sauce. And this is the butter chicken. It's my favorite Indian dish. Butter chicken, love it. And they also gave me sauces. I didn't order these, but I'm not sure what sauces these are. We have to try them out. This looks like a kind of yogurt-y sauce, and this one looks more spicy. Alright. Okay, they forgot the straw. They forgot the straw. Oh, I don't have any straws. I have like a thick one. I knew they would forget the straw. I don't know why. I'll be right back. I need to get a straw. So I have with me some white rice. I didn't order this from the place. I just thought I had like white rice at home, so I might as well get this, you know. I mean, use that instead of buying it. We've got 2 samosas, this garlic naan, and my favorite Indian dish, butter chicken. Honestly, I can eat butter chicken all day, but it's really unhealthy for you. And I don't know what these 2 sauces, I didn't order this. I think it just comes along with it. It's not too sure what this is, but this looks like it's gonna be some spicy thing. Spicy sauce. Spicy sauce. And this is the Raita. I'm not pronouncing it properly, but it's basically just yogurt and cucumber. That's the base of it. And this is the Mango Lassi. It's really I was about to say it's really good, but I never tried. This is my first time trying Mango Lassi. They forgot the straw. I've been drinking smoothies in my, oh my god, it actually fits. So yeah, I have these giant ass straws. Okay. I'm a straw person. I don't know. I feel like if you're gonna drink something, you just need a straw with it. Okay, I'm just gonna open this. Alright, you guys, I just opened everything up. It smells so good, by the way. Alright, you guys, I'm gonna try a piece of this butter chicken. It looks so good. Oh my god. That's seriously so good. Oh my god. That tastes so good. I can't believe, oh my god, that is so good. And it's spicy as well. So this is a Mango Lassi. So good. It's been like almost 2 years since I have like tasted Indian food. Oh my gosh. It's spicy but so good. So they had like 3 options. They had I think it was mild, medium and spicy. I'm not sure, like I don't have like experience with Indian food, so I'm not sure if like if spicy is really spicy. But back in high school I had like a few friends and they said that Indian food, if you got spicy, it's like super spicy. So I was just thinking back then, that's why I got the medium. I didn't want mild because mild's like, I don't think mild's spicy. But I'm so glad I got medium because it's perfect. With the samosa, I'm not sure what sauce I should dip in. Maybe this one. God. Looks like potato, green beans and stuff. Let's try this one. Oh, it's so good. I'm gonna try this. I'm not sure if you're supposed to dip it in, but whatever. This actually goes really well with this. It's like, this is really refreshing. Just gonna use my hand. Try this. I think this is like kind of a spicy, what is it? Spicy sauce. Yeah. I wouldn't say this is the kind of spicy barbecue sauce. Have some of the garlic naan. Dip this in here. So good. I'm sorry you guys, I don't have like any clue with like Indian food. So if you guys know like what are you meant to dip this with, I'm pretty sure you're meant to dip these two with a samosa. Am I correct? Because I ordered this extra. I thought it was gonna be a lot smaller, because it was like $3 or something for this, and I thought it was gonna be a lot smaller. Garlic naan is so good. I'm going to dip it in with this butter chicken sauce. Oh my God. This spice is really spicy, but it's like perfect for me. So good. Alright, I'm gonna have another piece of this chicken. Yeah, I was supposed to do the bulky mukbang, so green rice cakes. I'll try a bite. But oh my God, I was so pissed off. I was pissed off because, firstly, I always get this Korean brand. I'm not sure what brand it is, but I recognize the packaging and stuff, so I've bought these rice cakes before. And the first time I did it, I noticed that these rice cakes had like tiny bit of cracks. But I thought they're okay, and then it turned out, I cooked them and most of them turned out okay. Like it didn't full on split in half with the rice cakes. So I left it in the fridge for, I had like half the rice cakes left, so I left it in the fridge for around like 2 months, and by that time I opened it yesterday and I could see like it's gone off, so I have to throw that in the bin. I had to buy another pack because I planned to do this mukbang for like over a week now. Okay, it was actually not gonna be mukbang, it was gonna be an ASMR video. So I bought it and it was like frozen, so I couldn't really see if it had cracks on it, but I just assumed last time it had like a tiny bit of crack, so maybe that was faulty. But this time I opened it in the morning and every single piece was cracked. And I'm not sure, the packaging at the back was already open, like kind of, there's like a tiny hole in it. It might have been caused when I chucked it in the freezer. Or maybe it really had the hole when I bought it. I'm not sure. But anyway, that was like kind of a red flag. But also, if it was frozen, wouldn't the rice cake shouldn't be cracked anyway. It wasn't like full on cracked in half. It was like kind of cracked on the ends. Anyway, I just soaked them in water to defrost it. And once I like put boiling water and then I chucked in the rice cakes, they separated into 3 pieces. Like one rice cake separated into 3 pieces. So by that stage, I can't use that, honestly. I just got a cup of iced water, just in case I finish the Mango Lassi. Another piece of chicken. Gonna try with some naan. It's garlic naan. You guys. Oh my god. That's really good. As I was saying, the rice cake cracked in half when I cooked it, so there's like no choice, I had to throw them out. That half of the rice cakes was still in the freezer. Keep in mind, like I bought like 1 kilo of rice cakes, so I have to throw out, there's like around 500 grams left in the freezer. Like after this I probably need to throw that out because I can't use that. It'll like, if I try to cook it, it's just gonna break apart. It's really sad because I was actually looking forward to it, but at least the rice cakes didn't cost that much. I think it was like $6 for 1 kilo. But still. So I'm not going to use that brand. I'm not going to ever buy that brand again. Like, the first time I made rice cakes, I used this other brand. It was really good. But I can't remember what brand it is. But definitely not going to use that brand I just bought, because I bought that brand 2 times and it failed me twice. So I was like, what can I eat now? I'm like, Maybe I can do like a pasta ASMR video or something. But I didn't have any ingredients left. I think it just had like pasta sauce, some fettuccine, some curled pasta. What's that curled? The curled one. And some spaghetti. Like, probably do like a vegan pasta or something. But honestly, I didn't have any ingredients like mushrooms. I love mushrooms in pasta. I didn't have that. I just didn't have any ingredients, you know. I could have just do like a simple plain pasta with the sauce, but I mean, what's the point of mukbanging that? Oh my god. This straw is ridiculous, guys. It's the only other thing I have. Because I make like Nutra Ninja smoothies a lot. Like I make that like every day, so I have like 100 of these straws just lying around. Because the smoothies are really thick, so if I use the normal straw, it won't go up. Oh my gosh, I'm full, you guys. This is kind of like a yogurt type sauce. This green one. It's really nice. So after that, I'm not cooking pasta. I'm too lazy for that. I might as well just like order some delivery. I don't know. Uber Eats is like my favorite delivery app. I think we have also Deliveroo. But honestly, Deliveroo has like 5 options. And one of the options is Pizza Hut, which already has like online delivery. So I'm not sure what the deal with that is. And also their options, so they have like 5 options. But Uber Eats has like 4 of that 5 options, plus like 40 other options, so. And honestly, once I logged into the not the Uber Eats, I mean Deliveroo app, the layout was really bad. One thing with apps is like, I need the layout to be really simple and like good. You can like look at it, and that's why I don't like Samsung phones and stuff. I feel like the Apple layout is like really simplified and it looks really clean. I'm gonna finish this. Oh yeah, and like the only other option that was in Deliveroo but wasn't in Uber Eats was Pancake Parlor. So it's pretty much like a pancake store. It's kind of like this chain restaurant pancake store. It's good, but like I'm not paying, what is it, $18 for a like 2 pieces of pancake. You know, it's super overpriced. But sometimes they do these deals, which I don't know. I think like right now they're doing this deal. If it's like over 40 degrees or something, you get a free pancake. I'm not sure. But they did something similar in winter, which was good. That's the only time I would eat it because it's so overpriced. I thought I could have finished all this when I was ordering this. Oh my god, I'm so full, guys. I'm nearly finished with this. There's also Rose Lassi. I thought I was about to get that, but I just wanted to try the Mango Lassi first because that's the most traditional one. Basically, Rose Lassi is the same as Mango Lassi, but then use rose petals instead. That's kind of... I'm not sure what rose petal tastes like. I don't think it tastes like anything outstanding or unique, you know. Couldn't drink some... Oh wait, all the ice is melted already. It's just like some cold water. I'm so full, I can't eat this. So full. I'm gonna eat the bread. Oh. I want to try other Indian dishes as well. I feel like I always get butter chicken. The times that I go to Indian restaurants, I always get butter chicken. Yeah, I don't think I really get anything else. Like, I don't really get samosas or garlic naan. And this Raita, oh gosh, I'm probably like saying it so wrong. Oh my god. That butter sauce is so good. I think I do this thing where like, even if it runs out, I just want to like, attempt to like suck it out. But it's like done. So I'm going to try to post videos it's 3 times a week, but I reckon like 3 times a week. I probably can do it right now, but like in the future I probably can't do 3 times a week. So I decided to upload videos every, when was it? I think it was Sunday and Thursday. So every Sunday, Thursday, Australian Eastern Standard Time. I think that's like the day before. So if Sunday for me is probably Saturday for you guys if you live in the US. It's around like, it depends where you live in the US, but it's roughly around 17 hours behind. So yeah. So for you guys it'll probably be Saturday and Wednesday. Normally people will do it like Monday, Friday, Wednesday, something like that, but I just feel like I have lots of time on Sunday because I don't need to do anything on Sundays. And Thursday, I'm pretty busy on Thursday. But I probably can edit the video before that and upload on Thursday. So that should be fine. I also did a new channel, my ASMR channel. Okay, with the new channel, I deleted the channel. I just like deleted it 30 minutes ago. Okay, here's the reason why. I just feel like, I feel like it's too hard to keep up 2 channels. Like, I have to switch accounts every single time, and I'm pretty sure I switched like my accounts over 30 times already, and it's like driving me insane. So I just thought, I might as well just do mukbang and ASMR videos on this main channel. I know some of you guys like ASMR videos. And some of you guys like mukbang videos. So I'm trying to do a variety of it. But I reckon like the ASMR videos get more views. So I guess that's more popular. Like that's what people want because more people are watching that. I'm not sure. I don't know. You guys can comment down below. The thing is, with that ASMR video, I think the audio is a bit too quiet. I had a like comment in Vietnamese tell me that the audio is a bit too quiet, so I'm gonna try to fix that up before I do my next video. But I feel like, well, if the audio is quiet, you can always turn it up or like put some earphones and turn up the volume. It's just like sometimes if you finish watching my video or something and then you click onto another video, their sound is like kind of standard, like really loud. You just might get like a jump scare from that. Okay. Last bit of this garlic naan and I think I'm done. So good. I think my favorite, definitely the butter chicken is so good. The sauce is amazing and the chicken tastes so good. The garlic naan is really good and these sauces are, actually everything's good, okay? Everything's really good. I really wanted to try this place because the reviews were really good. Like 3.8 out of 5 is actually like really good. Anything over 3.5 is like good. Yeah, so everything tastes amazing and I just wish they had like a variety, kind of different options. You can do like half and half butter chicken and half tandoori chicken or some other dishes and stuff. Because I know their tandoori chicken is really popular. Okay, so this is it for this mukbang. I hope you guys really enjoy this video. Please give me a thumbs up. My hand is like all greasy and like disgusting, but we have to use our hands for Indian food, you know. And remember to also comment down below. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. What are you doing? Subscribe. And make sure to hit the bell notification. I feel like.
A few moments later.
Also remember to hit the bell notification symbol for more future videos, and I'll see you guys next time for another mukbang or ASMR video. I feel like every single time I get in the habit of saying like mukbang at the end, but I also do ASMR videos, so I'm actually not sure which one's gonna be next. Pretty sure, I actually have no clue. I haven't planned it out, my next video yet. But I'll see you guys next time. Bye!